How to solve the faulty flame light. First, please unscrew all the screws with following steps. Remove the reflective board and other parts. Take out the beam with light panel. Disconnect the faulty light panel and replace and connect a new light panel. Install the beam back to position. Reinstall the reflective board and other parts. If a new light board cannot help, you can check the wiring connection on the motherboard. This is the connector of the flame light. If it's still not working properly, you can replace the motherboard to fix this situation.